is the chime. I'll go down ground first. Exact address is 6399 Christie Avenue, Emeryville.
We're gonna have a motor on this one.
Yeah, we'll see. Alright, here we go. Very disappointing. Original controller. Floor passing chime is dead. Directional chime is replaced. Basic National Innovation Decorator. Older. Cap is nice.
Those notes on the bottom kind of licked over.
A little bit, yeah. And it smells of cleaner very strongly in here. Ooh, this one's got a rear door. This is another elevator here at Avenue 64 in Emeryville. Interesting how the machine room's on the second floor. Well, on the first floor, but one level off the bottom. This one might have a motor. Alright, let's be quiet. Not the best, not the worst. Interesting door configuration. It's opposite.
Zigzag.
Yeah. Innovation Decorator. That button hasn't been pushed very much. See, there's the machine room. This one's 4 floors. Yeah, sure.